Alright, well we're back in Walkerton, Ontario. We're at access point 5. Gordon and I were up there last long weekend. We went from access point 3 in Hanover down to access point 5. So today we're going to pick up that trip now from access point 5 and we're going to go 19 or 20 kilometers downstream, so about 4 hours. Although we'll do it in less time than that. We're going to pull out at access point 7. We've actually left it in the vehicle down there to pick us up. Gord, you know what? I don't really actually put it out there because I'm expecting a lot of people to watch it. You already know my philosophy. Yeah. It's so that I can watch it, you know, in the wintertime, and when I get older and I want to go back and have a look at it.
From now, we're gonna look back at that.
Yeah, we'll look at those videos and go, you know what? I used to actually think about it. Yeah, could just been closed or backwards. The scenery is certainly great, and we've got these two herons that have been staying just ahead of us. Lots of stuff to chase down the river, but the river's beautiful. Really nice. Alright, these herons are keeping me entertained anyway, and you know what, the water's interesting enough that it's not boring.
You still got lots of battery left?
Oh, I'm pretty sure we can pull over whatever you want to pull over.
Well, I'm just looking at that little spot on the right.
Okay, well let's get through these little rapids here, that's fine.
Or if you want to get around the bend and see if you get up there first.
This little spot's good here. No, we can watch those guys and their raft come through here. That's cool. I'll get some B-roll. Alright, so we're just going to cut into the right here. Hey? river. So it's not just the herons that have been following us all downriver. It's also kingfish rock on the left here. So apparently the three of these guys are friends because they're hanging out together. And they're obviously entertained as well because they only go downstream about 40 or 50 yards and then they park it again and they go pick it back up again when they see us again. So I don't think we're bothering them. Quite frankly, they could have gone upstream by now right back to where we started. So. Yeah, I took that track there. Gordon, I had to navigate around 3 rocks. I swear to God, these birds know they're on camera. They know they're on the camera. They do. I mean, it can't be anything else. And there's our friend again. After every stretch of whitewater, bird's always waiting for us at the bottom, waiting to be on camera. So that's really, yeah. We'll give him a wide berth, leave him alone. He's gone already anyway. So. Yeah. Yeah, there's some good sections in the river today. So, I know, every single time we go through any kind of a rapid, he's always on the other side. So Gord and I were just discussing whether we like the section from the dam through the chute into Walkerton better, or this section better. Now there's those two sections there, so you need a full day to combine the two of them together, but that was pretty good on this one. Did you get wet? Did you? Actually, the water came over the top of mine twice.
That was quite a little wall.
Well, there was one there. That was a good little wave, eh?
Turn around and see what that looks like.
Yeah, that was a good little wave. It doesn't look that amazing from here. I was just going into that rapid going, I'm not sure which one I like better. 4, right, into Walkerton,
yeah,
or this one. And that section there is the best piece of river we've. Well, actually, now there's the top one and the second one are now on this stretch,
yeah,
right?
That last kilometer has been topped up.
But that was better than the chute. Section 4 and section 5 of the Saugeen though. Access point 4, access point 5. We're going to go on 6 now. I would suggest that some experience, because this is way more fun though, but yeah, you do need to know how to keep your boat straight going down the river and how to navigate around rocks. And this river just keeps on entertaining us. It's every 5 or 10 minutes you get another little set of rapids. It's really good. Thoroughly enjoying Saugeen and this stretch of river. It's very nice. That was an interesting section of river. There was a dead tree, birch tree sticking out in the middle of the river, and Gord and I both thought we were going to get around that, but as soon as you got close to it, the water sucked you right into it, so I almost made it. That was cool too, eh?
Well, got her sea legs back anyway.
There you go. Alright. We lost our herons. No, we didn't. I just said we lost our herons. Okay, so these herons have been following us downstream the whole time. They're still with us. I was taking video of the herons, right? They're back. They're following us again. And obviously, I can see it. Yeah, I know, eh? Yeah, you gotta keep your eye out for those logs because you get pushed up against them. just missed that rock. Last minute adjustment. Camera, so we should get lots of footage on the camera. There's our hand back. He's back again. So what is it? Saugeen continues to entertain. It never gets boring on this river. That's the reason they like it so much. There's always something going on. It's great. Don't mind me if I'm a little leery of trees right now. Yep, we'll give them a wide berth. This one actually is going to be a little bit more interesting than I first thought. Over here? That was interesting. Right?
I like it. You gotta steer it. You gotta steer it and maneuver.
Yeah, to navigate that. That was actually kind of interesting. So the guidebook says that this is a 3-hour paddle from access point 5 to access point 6. And Gordon and I are exactly 3 hours according to the guidebook. Now, we had 2 stops though, probably at least 20 minutes each stop. So, but yeah, and if you include the stops, it basically is as per the guidebook. So we'll get out and have another stop here and then we'll finish the last hour. All right, Gord, what did you think of that section of river?
Spectacular.
Right? Now, is it better than the section that's got the chute on it?
Hard to say. Today had some spectacular spots, but I guess that's why you videotape it, right? Because you can forget about them pretty quick.
Well, you know what? I like both sections of the river. I want to do them both again.
Oh, 100%.
Yeah, I don't want to do the part from Hanover, but I do part from 4 to 5, and then 5 to 6 has been great.
It'll be interesting to see what this last hour is like.
Yeah.
To see if we need to add it on too.
Well, I mean, if we did 4 to 5, 5 to 6, that's 6 hours according to the guidebook.
Oh, is it? Oh,
yeah. It'll be 5 hours for us though. Yeah, it's shallow, Greg. It'll be fine. Hey? Would have followed you. No, I'm fine. I went a little right of you. You had a better line. It was just a little shallower on the other side than where you were. We're not far now, Gort, because I saw those hydro lines. There's the power lines right there, man. They're on the other side of the access point. Yeah, I don't think we're that far, man. That was the best stretch so far on this little section, right? Yeah, between 6 and 7, that's the only white water we've seen, really. Yeah, that was good, that little section. We were just to the left on the other side, right? There's an access spot here, Gort, but I don't think it's our access spot. It is not signed though at all. This is